Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Edge and getting straight to permissions. Click the three-dot menu at the top right, then choose Settings. Once there, select Cookies and Site Permissions so you're in the right panel. Make sure the site URL you want to change is handy. You're starting action immediately to avoid extra steps. This gets you to the controls that govern camera, microphone, location, notifications, and cookies, so changes take effect for that specific site quickly. Now you'll target the specific site. Click the lock icon in the address bar or go to Settings, Cookies and Site Permissions, All Sites, and pick the domain. Once selected, toggle camera, microphone, location, and notifications to block or ask, clear cookie permissions, or set them to block if needed. If multiple entries exist, use Reset Permissions to wipe custom rules before setting new ones. This exact approach ensures only the intended permissions change, while others remain intact. Finish by testing the site in a fresh tab to confirm permissions apply. You may need to reload or sign back in. If the site still shows old behavior, clear cookies and cached data for that site, then retry. Make sure to reset site-specific permissions and relaunch Edge to force settings to stick. Troubleshooting tip: if changes don't apply, create a new browser profile or use Reset Settings to restore permissions. That often clears hidden exceptions and resolves stubborn permission state issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.